If you're a researcher, you know the struggle. Turning a brilliant idea into a publication-ready figure takes hours, sometimes days. Between clunky design tools and endless revisions, the science gets lost in the design. Meet Figpad, the AI scientific illustrator built for researchers. Write a prompt, upload a sketch, or drop in a reference image, edit text in your scientific figures online, and Figpad does the rest in seconds.
This is Parvez Durrani, and you are watching Guru Tech Solutions.
To access the platform, click the link provided in the video description. It will take you to the official website of Figpad, an AI-powered platform that transforms your ideas into publishable scientific figures. Figpad allows you to create scientific figures in 4 different ways. You can generate scientific figures using a single prompt, turn rough sketches into polished publication-ready figures, use reference figures to match a specific style, and transform existing images into clean, scalable, and editable scientific assets that are easier to export for your publication workflow. To get started, simply log in using your Google account. Once logged in, you'll land on Figpad's clean and intuitive interface, designed to turn your ideas into professional scientific figures with ease. Click Start Free, and you'll be taken to the main workspace. To generate a scientific figure, simply type your prompt into the prompt bar. For best results, I recommend using a detailed and descriptive prompt. I've used ChatGPT to generate a detailed prompt, which I'll paste here, and you can do the same to get higher quality output. For this example, I want to create a highly detailed, anatomically accurate scientific illustration of the complete human digestive system. As you can see, the more detailed your prompt, the better your scientific figure will be. Once your prompt is ready, you can set the aspect ratio of your figure. This varies from 16:9 for widescreen, 4:3 for standard, and 1:1 for square format. Choose the one that best suits your needs. I'll go with 16:9. Once your preferences are set, hit Enter, and Figpad will begin generating your figure. You can watch the progress in real time, and once the process is complete, your scientific figure will appear on screen. As you can see, this is a comprehensive illustration of the human digestive system, covering its structure and function in detail. At this point, you can input additional prompts to refine or improve the figure further. When you're satisfied, click the full screen button to view it in full detail.
Figpad also allows you to edit the text within your scientific figure. Simply click the Detect Text option, and the platform will identify all text elements in the figure. Once the process is complete, you can select any text, for example, the heading, and modify it using the available formatting options, such as font size, bold, italic, and more. Once you've made your changes, click Apply, and the updated text will appear in your figure within seconds. When it comes to exporting, Figpad gives you multiple options. You can download your figure in SVG vector format for fully editable and scalable output, or export it as PNG or JPG for high-quality image files. You can also adjust the resolution before downloading. Here is the final downloaded version, a comprehensive, publication-ready scientific figure covering all the essential information about the human digestive system. Figpad also allows you to convert rough sketches into publishable scientific figures. For this example, I have a hand-drawn sketch about the photosynthesis process. It's quite rough, but I want to turn it into a clean, editable, and publication-ready figure. To do this, simply upload your sketch to the platform, enter a prompt describing what you want, set your preferred aspect ratio, and hit Enter. Figpad will process your sketch and convert it into a polished scientific figure. As you can see, the rough sketch has been transformed into a professional, publication-ready illustration. This is especially useful for researchers and students who want to quickly convert hand-drawn diagrams into figures suitable for academic publications. Just like before, you can make further edits and download the final figure in PNG, JPG, or SVG format at your preferred resolution. If you already have a scientific figure and want to add more detail or make changes, Figpad can handle that too. For this example, I have an existing figure about research methods, and I want to add more detail about mixed methods research.
I'll upload the figure to Figpad and enter a prompt asking it to add a dedicated section on mixed methods research types. Within a few seconds, Figpad adds a new, detailed section on mixed methods research seamlessly integrated with the original content. Once you're happy with the result, you can download it in your preferred format. So in summary, Figpad is a powerful AI tool that lets you generate professional scientific figures in just a few seconds. Whether you're starting from a single text prompt, a rough sketch, or an existing scientific figure. It is an incredibly useful tool for researchers, students, and anyone working in academic or scientific fields. Give it a try using the link in the video description and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more AI-related content.